Welcome to Lesson 3, Creating Attainable, Relevant, and Time-Bound Goals. In this lesson, we will focus on the final three components of the SMART framework: attainable, relevant, and time-bound. These elements help ensure that goals are realistic, meaningful, and structured with clear deadlines. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to evaluate whether a goal is achievable given your resources and constraints, determine whether it aligns with your priorities, and establishes a clear timeline for completion. So, what makes a goal attainable? An attainable goal is one that it challenges you while remaining realistic. It considers your current skills, resources, time, and constraints. An attainable goal does not mean easy, but it must be possible. For example, setting a goal that requires skills or resources you cannot obtain would not be attainable. Assessing realism helps prevent frustration and increases the likelihood of success. To make a goal attainable, begin by assessing your available resources and skills. Break large goals into smaller, manageable steps. Consider potential barriers that may arise and plan accordingly. Sometimes adjusting the scope or timeline does not lower standards. It simply makes the goal more realistic and sustainable. Now, what makes a goal relevant? A goal is relevant when it aligns with your personal or professional priorities. It should connect to larger objectives or values. If a goal does not support what matters most to you, motivation may decline. Asking whether a goal aligns with your priorities helps ensure your effort is directed toward meaningful outcomes. Finally, what makes a goal time-bound? A time-bound goal includes a specific deadline or time frame. It also may include intermediate milestones or checkpoints that structure progress. Deadlines create urgency and accountability. In contrast, vague timing such as eventually or someday does not provide structure and often leads to procrastination. Let's evaluate this goal. Finish the certification by December 31st, studying 3 hours per week. This goal is attainable because it includes a realistic study schedule. It is relevant if the certification aligns with professional growth or career goals. And it is time-bound because it includes a clear deadline and structured weekly commitment. Now, let's reflect on one of your own goals. Is it realistic given your current resources and constraints? Does it align with your personal or professional priorities? Does it include a clear deadline or structured timeline? If not, consider how you could adjust the scope, relevance, or timeframe to strengthen it. Evaluating goals through these three components increases motivation, accountability, and long-term success.